And so he was indicted, and he was indicted on very serious charges because of very serious conduct that we learned about during our investigation.
You're saying tonight that the warning of possible contempt charges against administration officials, none of that had anything to do with the investigation?
No, I mean, first of all, the Supreme Court stayed any contempt proceedings by Judge Boasberg. That case has been stayed. In this case, we had a judge in Maryland tell us that, oh no, there's not any evidence that he's a member of MS-13. You had no right to deport him. And so what should we do as a Department of Justice when a judge is accusing us of doing something wrong? We have an obligation to everybody, including you, to investigate it. And that's exactly what we did.
The irony of the same week that Acting Attorney General Todd Blanche launches a weaponization fund or to compensate members of the public who have been vindictively prosecuted, who have had the government weaponized against them in order to prosecute them and serve them unfair justice. The same week that happens, the Friday of that week, he himself is the center of a vindictive prosecution ruling that said the government, the Department of Justice, vindictively prosecuted Kilma Abrego Garcia, and the evidence couldn't be clearer. The irony of it all. Oh my goodness. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm JJ Legal. I'm honored to the lawsuits filed against the Trump administration and those the Trump administration filed against others to take you beyond the headlines, to give you a sense of calm, to let you know that the judges in the judicial system are working for you, including judges appointed by Donald Trump himself, George Bush, and Ronald Reagan, and judges appointed by Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, and Joe Biden, because they're abiding by the rules of the law and the rule of law, and he gets reign back. I'm not saying he doesn't cause problems, but he gets reign back. Now, because they follow the law, this is why this case blew up. And it was Todd Blanche running his mouth, running to Laura Ingraham. You're the attorney general, and you're just essentially confessing to vindictive prosecution. You're not supposed to find the person first and then find the crime. That's what he did. That's what he confessed to on TV. They played that, and he never came to testify to rebut that. He's always just like, they can't help themselves, the administration. It's a performative. The entire thing, they are just cosplaying a functioning government. I followed this case since March 2015. Because let's get to it. The call is always coming from inside the house. Every accusation and confession with these people.